In some business news, a new type of investment is now available to potential and existing investors in Trinidad and Tobago.
And although the investment can possibly raise concerns, professionals in the field have considered it safe, stable and attractive. Karen Regis has more for us in tonight's Business Watch.
Business Watch is brought to you by Courts.
Individuals in Trinidad and Tobago, alongside institutional investors, will now have more investment choices with the introduction of Home Mortgage Bank's mortgage-backed securities.
Any Google search and you type in mortgage-backed securities, you could initially come up on some fairly bad news.
Fund manager Osmond Privat says while mortgage-backed securities are mentioned in tandem with the 2007 financial crisis, the product in itself is not bad. But what is a mortgage-backed security? According to the CEO of HMB, Brent McPhee, a mortgage-backed security is an investment that is backed by a mortgage.
The investor will be investing in the cash flows that are generated from when an individual takes out a mortgage. That mortgage being on a property, whether it's residential, whether it's commercial, those properties, the mortgager will repay those mortgages, and that cash flow generated from that repayment is what repays the investors.
Meanwhile, Privat adds that the real beauty or the value in a mortgage-backed security is the quality of the mortgages that the bank will put together to form the investment product. Privat adds that the mortgages will consist of prime mortgages, and prime mortgages, according to Privat, means that there are no arrears present for the mortgage, and the clients have the ability to service their loans with a certain level of consistency. Also endorsing the viability of mortgage-backed securities was lecturer in banking, finance and insurance at the University of the West Indies, Prakash Ramlakhan. Ramlakhan says the individual investor and even the high net worth individuals normally gravitate towards fixed deposits or mutual funds. He says over the years the fixed deposit and mutual funds have generated significantly lower returns than what mortgage-backed securities can offer. Ramlakhan adds that the cash flow returns from mortgage-backed securities are quite attractive and the risk profile is quite low relative to other instruments. Kyron Regis, CNC3, Business Watch.